Hi, I'm Doug McDougall, General Manager of Sisley Honda. I'd like to bring you this 2019 CR-V LX all-wheel drive. It's one owner. It's all original, no accents. It only has 34,000 kilometers on it. And I'd like to do a quick walk around with you and show you what this car is about. This one is finished in silver. I'm just going to pop the hood and show you how nice this vehicle is. Under the hood, we've got the Earth Dreams 1.5 liter turbo engine. You'll notice everything under the hood is it's all there. It's all very clean, as it should be for a 2019. These vehicles provide wonderful economy, but great utility, which is why we sell so many of them. Looking down the side of the vehicle, you'll notice that there are no scratches, there are no dents. It's very, very clean. We happen to have the snow tires on this car. There is a set of standard summer all-season radios that come with it. You'll notice the aluminum wheels have no scratches or pits or any kind of damage whatsoever. And we'll just swing into the passenger side here. You'll notice that this vehicle is as new as they come. It's in very, very nice condition. And we just go back to the back here. And again, even an LX comes with privacy glass in the back windows. Back interior, again, really, really nice condition. One thing, these snow tires are fairly new. They've been hardly used. You should be able to get quite a few seasons out of it. Going over to the back here. Again, this CR-Vs have an adjustable floor, so you can adjust it up and have things to the side, or you can have it down lower if you have anything tall to go in. This vehicle has electric rear defrost. It's also got a rear wiper system. That's all standard on it. Again, no marks, no scratches anywhere to be found on it. It's in really nice condition. In the interior, it's got power windows, power locks, of course, intermittent wiper, really a decent sound system. LXs actually come with quite a bit of standard equipment. And of course, ABS brakes, traction control are all standard in this vehicle. I think you'll find that this vehicle is priced to sell, and we're open to offers. Come on, I was going to say come on down, but you can't. So contact us, and we can do everything on the phone, and that includes credit approval, and we'll flatbed the vehicle right to your door. You can't go wrong doing business with Sisley. Thanks, and thanks for having a look at this car.